Welcome to TSS Associates Troubleshooting Guide for the Bosch Inverter Heat Pumps. Today, we'll show you how to diagnose a P3 error code for your M20 outdoor unit. Let's get started. To troubleshoot a P3 error code, you will need a multimeter with needle probes and your refrigeration gauges. To begin, check to make sure the unit is not in force mode. The LED display will show a sideways T next to the Hertz rating. If the unit is in force, press the force button to exit that mode. Next, you will attach your refrigeration gauges and check for abnormal pressures. In cooling, your suction line reading should be approximately 130 psi. In heating, your liquid line reading should be approximately 357 psi. If your readings do not correlate, you will have to locate the source of the refrigerant blockage. For more information, please visit our other troubleshooting videos on diagnosing the refrigeration circuit. The component that is related to a P1 or F1 error code is the high pressure switch. To check the high pressure switch, locate the yellow Molex with two yellow wires in the upper right of the control board marked CN10. Unplug the Molex and set your meter to ohms. If the resistance is greater than or equal to 1 ohm, replace the high pressure switch. If the resistance is less than 1 ohm, the high pressure switch is good, and further investigation of the refrigerant cycle is required. For more information, visit our other troubleshooting videos. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.